highest common factor and lowest common multiple of 32 and 48. Okay, so we go to that one first. 32 and 48. So I know it wasn't written in the question, but when I gave this, I had told you to use prime factors. Okay, using prime factors means that we divide by prime numbers. Okay, so what's the first prime number I'm going to divide by?
2.
Yep. So the prime numbers are over here in case you forget them. We try to start with the lowest one and then work our way up. So if we do 32 and start by dividing by 2, we get 16. We'll stick with 2 for as long as we can. So divide by 2 again is 8. Still 2?
Yeah.
Yep. So divide by 2 again to get 4. Divide by 2 again.
2.
Divide by 2 again.
1.
And when you get to 1,
You stop.
yeah, when you get to 1, you're done. So that's where you stop. And then you create your, you need 2 lines. So the first one is, how many 2s are there? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how do we shorten it? Very good. 2 to the power of 5. Right, so especially for the people who missed that when or weren't here or whatever, is that okay? Anybody have a question? Okay, so moving over to 48 and dividing it by 2 because it's even, we get 24. Still 2.
12.
Still 2.
6.
Still 2.
3.
Still 2.
No.
So we need to go to the next prime number, and the next prime number is 3, which gets us to 1, and once you get to 1, you're done. So the long version is 2, how many, 4? 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 3. And the short version,
2 to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 1.
yeah, and you can put the 1 on it. Yeah? So, the reason we write it in 2 lines like that is because this first line here helps us to get our highest common factor, and the second line, which is here, helps us to get our lowest common multiple. Okay, so I always think the highest common factor is the easier one because you're just making pairs. So is there anything in the other list to go with that too? Yes. So what do I put into my answer? 1 single 2. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Right. Then I have this, oh, sorry, didn't mean to colour it out. Then I have this 2, which I match, and then there's another 2 going into my answer. Next, I have this one, and that does pair, so I put that into my answer. We go blue. This, does it have a pair? It does, it matches here, so I put that into my answer. And then finally we have this. And is there a match for that too?
No.
No. And is there any match for the 3 in the other list?
No.
No. So have I found all the matches?
Yeah.
Grand. So I go over and have a look. And what do we do with all these 2s?
Multiply.
Very good. We multiply all the 2s, and that gives us 16. 2 by 4, is that how you got it? Yeah. So 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 is 16. Right. So then the lowest common multiple is the trickier one. But we did practice quite a few. So with the lowest common multiple, we find the matches. So we have a 2 here and we have a 2 here. Which one do we take? Mayumi? We take the higher power, which in this case is that one. So we're going to put that one into our answer and we're going to eliminate the other one. So find the matching 2s, keep the higher one, eliminate the other one. Any more matches?
No.
No. So what do we do? Dean?
Like the ones that don't match.
Yep, so any spares? So is there any spares?
Yeah.
Just this one. So we multiply by 3 to the 1. That's our only spare, and that is a pretty big number. 96? Yep, 96 is right.